guys, Super Joe World 0726 here, and I am here for Spirit Halloween's 2023 Poor George. Yep, I got Spirit Halloween's Poor George 2023, the year that this guy came out. And yeah, this guy is 180 on Spirit Halloween's website. I think he's there. If not, then I don't know. Maybe he'll return in some other years. So, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we have here, we have his gore piece, his gore underpart piece, with the pole already attached. We have his shoulder piece. We got his hands, which they look a lot like night crawlers. We have one of his pieces of foam. We have his arms for the clothing, and another one. And we have his shirt. We have a shirt. This guy has two sides, so there's one right here and one in the back. We have his poles, and we have both his shoulder pieces and his adapter. All right. We go with his head, and oh shoot! Oh yeah, I forgot. My Poor George's eye came out right here, and now it's just. He fell down the day in the wind, so. But it's okay. Maybe I'll find a replacement head for him. Yeah, sure. Here's the happy face, and here's the angry one. But from the side of that, we have another piece of his foam. One of the parts to his base, with the wire hanging right there. We have his control box. See, we have his control box right here. Right here. We got his hand, another mic crawler, and the other pieces of his base. And we had his poles. The last two of his leg poles. Or should I say hand poles. And we got his instructions, which we're not going to need. Alright, goodbye box. Let's start building. First thing we need to do is attach both of these poles that locate the base. And snap lock in like that. And now we just place it down right here. Time to put his leg poles on. There you go. Now we're gonna put his hands on. And hand slides in here, but before you slide them in, we have this wire right here that needs to be slid through the hands. Okay. Alright. These other leg poles. There you go. Now we're gonna put the legs on. Actually, wait. We're gonna do the same thing again with the feet. Just leave the wire out and then just put the foam on. And when you put the clothes on, you can put the wire through there. There you go. Now we're gonna put both of his clothes on. Now we gotta find that wire, leave it out like this. Just like that. Now we're gonna put on his beautiful shoulder piece. Alright, now we're gonna slide shoulder piece to form. There you go. And with these, since mine's kind of falling apart, it's gonna be like super glued back on. You have to slide them in these little plastic things. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's how it works. them in like this. The next thing we're gonna do this is attach the control box. All right, now we can attach these. There, now they're in. That's one, and goes in, and goes in. Bruh. Okay, I think that's in now. All right, finally, now we're gonna attach his shoulder. Simply put it in like this. Oh, you know what? Lift. Oh crap. Let's fall over. All right, put in his clothes. Just like that. Now we can attach this gore piece right here. Put it back here. I'll go on the other side. Alright. Four doors, sensor wires connected now. While we're at it, we can attach the sensor wire, or not the sensor wire, the adapter in the back where the orange pom-poms are facing. Oh yeah, I forgot. He doesn't plug in the back. He plugs in from the bottom. That's how Poor George works. Because if it's in here, then the cord would all tangled and you'll be broken by now. Now time to put on his head. With the anchor face facing the black pom-poms and this one facing the orange ones. Alright. He's kind of big in person though. Alright, Poor George is done. Now we're gonna test him out. See how he works. Well, I gotta put some stuff right here real quick. Alright, he's done. Now we're gonna test him out. So what do I think of Poor George? Well, this is a really awesome concept for Poor George. I love how he does some flips and a backflip. But I do love the faces, the double-side faces. It's what we haven't seen from Spirit in a very long time. Even with flipping animatronics, ever since we got Tumbling Clown from Morris Costumes. Then we have this thing. It's like Lucky Bottoms, Lucky Bottoms, Tumbling Clown combined, and it turns into this. But yeah, this guy's awesome. And I'm really looking forward to putting him in a very awesome spot for my Halloween yard display this year. And for my haunted house, if I'll ever do one. But yeah, I love this guy. He's awesome. So yeah, this is Super Dylan World 0726 and Poor George signing off. Be sure to scare the like button, subscribe, and comment what you think of Poor George, and share it. I think he's on Spirit website still. I am not too sure. But yeah, that's Poor George. Alright. See you later.